Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the topic of insurance and what insurance means. So insurance is about balancing the risk. If I buy a new car and I know the value of this car is 400,000, I know that I am at risk when I drive out of my driveway because I could have an accident. So I'm balancing how much am I prepared to pay for my insurance for the risk that I might be involved in an accident. So when we look at a definition of insurance, we say insurance is a contract of utmost good faith between an insurance company and an individual, and that individual may be a business too. But this point of it being the utmost good faith means that it's a contract where you cannot lie about certain information. It all has to be faithful. There cannot be any deceit in this contract between the insurance company and the insured. So let's just go through this again. We have an insurance company, which is called the insurer, and in South Africa we have Outsurance, we have Discovery, we have a number of insurance companies. And then the insured is the individual or the business. And the contract between these two is such that you pay a premium every month so that you're compensated for any losses that should occur. So if I do have an accident, then I can claim insurance and then they will pay for fixing my vehicle. So it's important to understand that you have to pay this premium as an insured to the insurer on a monthly basis in order for that contract to be valid. Thank you very much, and I hope that that has helped.